So we are continuing the series of Ford Fiesta MK8, and this time we show how to remove the gear knob and probably rest of these. Last video we did the radio, so now let's continue with this. Should not be that hard. Use plastic if you don't wanna break it. It's kind of easy. So just to take out these the leather around. The leather is good, and then you need to turn around, and you take it on the left side. So on the left side you just screw it out, and here you have, as you can see here, it's not that hard. If you wanna take this out, if you wanna change it, if your gear knob is kind of bad or stuff like that. But as you can see here, this one is really nice. But yeah, it's a car for parts, so we take it apart. Next up should not be that hard, but I believe you need to take all of this maybe, or something like that. But let's make this another video maybe, because I don't know if everybody wanna watch this. So that's about that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow. It will help grow the channel, and I will continue doing it. So thank you, and see you guys in the next one. So next one should be rest of the car. So see ya.